Hello, my beautiful traders. I am Zach from Harvest Trade, and today we are making another video for this YouTube channel. And we are going to talk about the topic we finished on in our previous video, the topic of fundamental analysis. And as always, we are going to make two new currency deals with our currency pairs and try to make more Fed pluses, more profit. So let's not waste any more time. Let's not waste any more seconds, and let's get to our first currency pair for today. And my guys, as you can see on your screen, that our first currency pair is the pair of British pounds and the Australian dollar. And let's get to technical analysis of this pair. As you can see that after reaching a historical maximum, our pair changed the trend and it went down in price. And after reaching the support line and the local minimum, a new price growth began. Now I want to point out the continued growth in the price of our pair, because I think that the local maximum has not yet been reached. And now guys, while our deal will be going, let's get back to our topic for today. Fundamental analysis, as we talked about in our previous video, is often based on the study of all kinds of news. And for example, we are talking about the plain change in the key rate may affect the strengthening of the dollar. With the release of economic data in this range, the euro will fall. The index of industrial production fell by 2%. What to do with this whole economy? There are hundreds of these data. As you can see, that your head will spin. Moreover, the market always reacts to news in the most irrational way. Positive data comes out and the market falls. Why? For example, because they are not positive enough for investors. All these millions of people who trade on the exchange and study market price always have their own understanding of what should be and what should be, and what should not be also. Fundamental analysis, as a result, does not give accurate forecasts, just like technical analysis. Again, you say, yes, this is the truth of life. No piece of news gives a guarantee that the dollar will fall or rise. However, economic data allows you to get a broad market picture and outline a corridor that you will refine with technical tools. And by the way, you will have to take into account the data for two currencies at once. So let's say AUD and KAD. Did you forget that this is an Australian dollar and Canadian dollar? Two countries, two central banks, two key rates, two types of economic indicators. Oh, you shouldn't have told me all this. It is difficult. Let's go. I would better draw sideways on the chart, because this is what professional institutional traders in hedge funds and banks do. Guys, do not hurry. Remember the very basics, currency pairs and their swings. Our task is simply to determine how and why one currency in a pair will strengthen or weaken against another. And it is quite possible to do this by combining technical and fundamental analysis. These two worlds must be united. Only in this way will you get the two main tools in your arsenal. Yes, in the theory of technical analysis, the market takes everything into account, and it is true. However, it takes into account its post factum in past. After all, the charts show only all data. Remember, not a single point on the chart is able to look into the future. And economic news and factors are the only chance to find out what will happen in the future. After all, the news is clearly released, say at 16:30 London time. And knowing what it often affects the currency pair, we will fully equip it to take advantage of this influence. For example, let's keep it, having worked on a decrease in volatility later and a lot of other tricks. And now guys, as you can see on your screen, that our first currency pair for today gave us the result we wanted, gave us the profit. And I want to remind you that you should follow us on YouTube channel, and also please don't forget to drop the like and a comment down below. Don't be shy to do this. And also one more important thing, you should not forget to follow the link down below in the description and join our free Telegram channel, where I give out my advices for free every single day. And also, most importantly, a VIP channel, a channel where people get the most money out of my signals, because they get 8 accurate signals per day, an opportunity to do copy trading, and much more. So if you realize that you need some help and you need someone who has more experience than you, then please join us. We are waiting for you. And now, guys, to our second currency pair, we have the pair of euro and the Canadian dollar. And let's get to our technical analysis. As you can see that starting from the support line, our pair confidently and gradually reached a local maximum, after which a trend began for a gradual fall in price. And now I want to point out that this trend will continue despite small price fluctuations upwards. I think that the pair will continue further fall in price, and I believe that this strategy will give us the desired result once again. And now, guys, let's talk about the key rate. This is the most important and paramount thing that you must understand and master in fundamental analysis. It is the key rates that affect the foreign exchange market. The significance of this factor is colossal. The task that any central bank performs in price stability, in other words, inflation control. What is inflation? Many countries in the world know very well. This is when the prices of goods and services creep up like crazy. This is how the economy works. Inflation is inevitable. Let's say in 1925, a middle-class car cost $350. How much does a modern analog cost now? Several tens of thousands. So much for the inflation of the dollar over decades. Consequently, the task of the central bank is not to completely eliminate inflation, but to keep it within certain limits. But money will inevitably depreciate and prices will inevitably rise. And this is the price of economic growth in a capitalist society. That's just a sharp rise in prices. It's a continuous headache. Therefore, central bank continuously monitors such inflation-related economics indicators as CPI, Consumer Price Index, PCE, personal consumption expenses, to contain the damn inflations. You need to slow down the growth of the economy. To do this, the central bank raised the key rate. Accordingly, the higher the percentage of this loan, the key rate, the more expensive the loan to enterprises, they develop more slowly, inflation is contained. When the key rate is higher, customers or businesses take less loans from banks, save more, and the entire financial activity of the country decreases. Still, who needs expensive loans? It's better to just sit on the money and stuff the mattress with it. When the key rate is lowered, bank customers rush for loans, the economy recovers, everyone starts buying and buying like crazy, and all indicators fly up. But along with inflation, prices are starting to rise. So, guys, as you can see that the topic of fundamental analysis is a very wide topic, and it is a very important and maybe difficult topic to understand at first, but believe me, without talking about all these things, we will never be able to fully understand how the world of trading works. And believe me, it's not even the half of the information you need to understand and know about the fundamental analysis. And I hope that my videos can make it at least some easier for you to understand and processing it in your head, because without it, as I said, it will be just simply impossible for you to fully understand how you can work and how you can trade. And now, guys, to finish this video, you can see that our second currency pair also gave us the desired result. We have more profit, we have another Fed plus. And now I would like to remind you about very important steps you need to make. You need to subscribe to our channel, leave the like in the comment, and also please don't forget to use the link down below in the description to join our free Telegram channel where you can get free signals every single day, and also most importantly our VIP channel, our VIP team, where people are getting 8 accurate signals per day. This is most definitely a place for you if you understand that you want to make more Fed pluses, you want to make money, not lose it, and if you understand that your experience and knowledge in trading is not enough yet to always make good results and make long-term profit, which is we are aiming for. So if you understand this, then please don't be shy to join us there, because I will be super happy and super glad to help you to achieve the results you want and make trading something that provides you financially in your life. So guys, Zach from Harvest Trade was with you. I was happy to make this video for you. I wish you all to have a fantastic day. Bye bye. See you in our next video.